show you how to make protein almond butter cups. Now, for the base of this recipe, what you're going to need is 1 scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein powder. You'll need about a 1/4 cup of almond flour or almond meal. You'll need 1 cup of dates, which I'm currently soaking in some hot water. I'm going to drain the water out of those before I use them. And then I've got 1 tablespoon here of cacao nibs. So that's your base. For the almond butter center, what we need is about 1 cup of almond butter. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this date and tahini sauce. Alternatively, you can use date syrup and tahini sauce, 1 tablespoon of each. And then here I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I've melted. So that's our center. And for our topping, I've just got some melted dark chocolate, and then I'll be popping it with some salted peanuts. To make this recipe, we're going to blitz our base ingredients together until it creates like a sticky texture. We're then going to press that into our lined patty pans. To make our center, we are going to pop these ingredients into a blender, blend it until it's smooth and creamy, and then pour that on top of our base. And then we're just going to spoon our melted chocolate on top of the almond butter mixture, top it with some peanuts or whatever nuts you prefer, and then pop that into the fridge to set for 2 to 3 hours.